Hi, my name is James Woolfenden and I'm part of the Bridgecrew team, and I am the creator and maintainer of our new Bridgecrew Terraform Provider. Now with the new provider you can maintain your Bridgecrew policies as configurations in code. The current provider allows you to create, update and delete simple or complex policies using Terraform directly or via referencing a YAML file. You can import your existing policies from the platform into code. You can list policies, suppressions, integrations, users, and see details on your integrated repositories. Let me walk you through how you can create and build a template for a complex policy. First step is to open Chrome. Go to Bridgecrew. Go to the integrations page. I'm going to go to the API tokens. I'm going to create a new API token. So copy this, be careful where you put it. You won't be able to get it a second time. So we get rid of this, go back to the shell. So we need to export it to the shell. There's the API key. Now, I've got a repo here of examples. It's available from github.com, James Woolfenden /Bridgecrew, or Terraform Bridgecrew examples. And in there, there's a whole bunch of examples about using the platform. And the one we're going to look at today is example connected and example provider. So the first is just to show you the auth works. So if we go into the example provider, to ls, you can see that we've got a file called provider bridgecrew.tf. If we cat that file, it's got nothing in it, so the API keys can't come from this. There's no hard coding going on. So if we do Terraform init, okay, so I've already got a cached version of the provider. You'll probably have to download at this point. Okay, I've got a shortcut for Terraform called TF. So there's nothing going on, just showing that the auth is connected. So now we're going to have a look at looking at a creation of a complex policy. So if we go to CD, I've got to get out of here first. Just going to clean up. So in here we've got two files, terraform.tf, which says the version of the provider that we want to obtain. And this is the actual complex policy file. So in here we've got resource. These are the base attributes, which is what you'd expect. Cloud provider, a title, got to be longer than 20 characters. Severity, all lowercase. Category, a bunch of categories that you're used to from Checkov. And the frameworks, which can be Terraform or Terraform and CloudFormation or just CloudFormation. So in here we have the condition query, and in here we have it's checking to see that the instance type is T2 micro or T3 micro, and that the instance name is not Jimbo. Okay. Further on down here we've got the guidelines which explain what this policy is all about. It should be a lot more than that. And then we can have you can tag it to some compliance benchmarks, which if you're doing custom policy is probably unlikely. But anyway, you can. All right, so how do you add it? Like you do normally with Terraform, tf init and Terraform apply. Okay, the usual Terraform output from an apply, because we haven't changed it before. Go yes. So that's created. What's it called? It's called my second test. Also needs to be long enough. So we copy that. People don't believe that we've done it. So there it is. And you can open this and edit this if you want to see what it is. Okay, so to prove I'm doing it live, I'm going to change it. Drift, either works. It's going to save it. And then if we go back to Terraform, we do tf apply. So in here, it's detected that the title has changed, so it's going to force a complete replacement of the policy. I'm going to remove the contents and everything because it's going to delete and update it. Okay, and if we go back to the platform, there it is. So I've edited the policy in the platform. Now you can use this almost immediately in the platform. Well, you can use it immediately, and you can use it in connected mode. I'm not going to demo it with connected mode at the moment, only because my Wi-Fi isn't up to it. Okay, what else can you do? All right, so we can also, you've seen it modified, and then we can also clean up after ourselves with the usual destroy. If we reload the policies, so nothing to display because we've deleted the policy. And that's our Terraform provider. Now you can write policies for Terraform in Terraform. Store these in a VCS for collaboration and versioning. Sign up for a free Bridgecrew account and find the provider on GitHub or directly from the Terraform registry.